Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted Google Sheets to automatically log the exact date and time when you check off a task or mark any item as done, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up an auto-updating timestamp in your Sheets. It's a simple process and it'll save you tons of time if you're tracking lists, attendance, project progress, or anything else that could use a timestamp checkmark. Let's dive right in. Imagine you've got a simple list of names, think James, Thomas, John, David, and the rest. Just type these names down, each one on a new row in column A of your spreadsheet. This is your main data column. Maybe these are team members, students, or people you need to follow up with. Now the magic starts in column B. Next to each name, you're going to add a checkbox, which is like creating a to-do list within your sheet. To do this, select the cells in column B that line up with your names, then go up to the Insert menu and choose Checkbox. Boom, just like that, you've given yourself a visual way to mark tasks as complete or people as present. Okay, here where we move to column C, click into cell C2 right next to your first checkbox. This is where you'll insert the formula that will create the automatic timestamp whenever the checkbox is ticked. Type in if B2 equals false, C2 equals now true C2. Now what's happening here, let's break it down because understanding the why helps you master the how. This formula is pretty clever. Basically, if the checkbox in B2 is not checked, column C stays blank. But if you check that box, Google Sheets pops in the current date and time using now. And if you uncheck the box or if there's already a timestamp, it doesn't keep changing. It holds steady, recording the time when you first checked it. It's like a timestamp that only sets once rather than updating every single minute. At this point, you might notice a ref error in your sheet. Don't panic, this is normal and it's really easy to fix. What's happening is that your sheet isn't yet set up to handle the kind of formula you're using because by default, Google Sheets doesn't want cells referencing themselves in formulas. To allow this, go up to the File menu, select Settings, and then go to the Calculation tab. In there, you'll see an option called Iterative Calculation. Turn this on that tells Google Sheets it's okay for formulas to refer back to their own cell in order to solve problems like this. Save your settings, and now your problem should be gone. If you're not seeing the calculation option, just take your time and look for Settings. Sometimes Google tweaks their menus, so don't worry if it looks a little different. Once the formula is working, all you need to do now is drag it down to fill the rest of the column C cells next to your checkboxes. Just grab the little square at the corner of the formula cell and drag it down as far as your list goes. Now try checking a few boxes. You'll see the timestamp drop in instantly and it won't change even if hours go by unless you clear or uncheck the box. And that's it. With just a little setup, you've created an efficient system for tracking when things get done, right inside Google Sheets. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like or let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for what to automate next. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more time-saving Google Sheets tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.